Welcome to the TholviTrader Partner Program. Earn rewards by simply sharing TholviTrader with other traders using your unique referral link or code. On the Refer and Earn page, you'll find everything you need to get started. Every successful referral earns you a commission. Receive $30 for each Traders Toolkit or Heatmap Pro purchase and $50 for every institutional edge plan sold through your referral. Our referrals don't just earn you commissions, they also give your friends an exclusive 37.5% discount, making it a win-win for everyone. And the more you share, the bigger the rewards become. 2 referrals earn you $100, 5 referrals unlock $350, 10 referrals grow to $750, 25 referrals reach $1,750. And that's just the beginning. There's no limit. The more successful referrals you make, the more you can earn. If you're already using TholviTrader and love the tools, why not share them with fellow traders? Help others discover a powerful trading platform while building an extra income at the same time. Just get your referral code, share it with other traders, and earn rewards automatically every time someone purchases through your referral. On top of your commission from every referral, you'll also unlock milestone bonuses as your network grows. Earn an extra $100 at 5 referrals, $250 at 10, $500 at 25, $1,000 at 50, $2,500 at 100, and $5,000 when you reach 250 referrals. These bonuses are paid in addition to your regular referral earnings. And it doesn't stop there. There's no earning limit. The more traders you refer, the more you continue to earn. Withdraw your earnings after 5 successful referrals with fast payouts via crypto or PayPal. Your referral commission is credited once the referred purchase has been reviewed and approved by our team. Self-referrals are not allowed, ensuring the program remains fair for everyone. There's absolutely no limit to how many traders you can refer, so your earning potential continues to grow. When you're ready to withdraw, simply choose your preferred payout method, crypto including USDT or BTC or PayPal. We know these rewards might seem surprisingly generous, especially when compared to most affiliate programs. But our goal isn't just to make sales, it's to introduce TholviTrader to more traders around the world. Instead of spending heavily on traditional marketing, we'd rather reward our own community for helping us grow. Think of it as a true partnership where both you and TholviTrader benefit together. Once you log in, simply open the Refer and Earn dashboard. Here you can track your total earnings, referral commissions, milestone bonuses, available withdrawal balance, and see exactly who has joined using your referral link. Everything is organized in one place, making it easy to monitor your referral performance in real time. When you first join the referral program, a unique referral code is automatically generated for your account. If you'd like, you can easily customize it with your own name or brand, making it more recognizable to your audience. This helps your followers instantly know they're using your referral code. Once you're happy with it, simply save your changes and start sharing your personalized referral link anywhere. Track all your referral earnings in one place. Instantly view your referral commissions, milestone bonuses, total rewards earned, and your available withdrawal balance, all updated as your referrals grow. After completing 5 successful referrals, the withdrawal option becomes available. Simply click Withdraw, enter the amount, choose your preferred payment method, provide your payout details, and submit your request. Our team will review it within a few hours and process your payout. The Milestones page lets you track your referral journey and see exactly how close you are to unlocking your next bonus. Completed milestones are automatically marked, while upcoming rewards show how many more referrals you need to reach them. Simply click any milestone to view its full details, including the required referral count, milestone bonus, referral earnings at that stage, and your total rewards. It's an easy way to monitor your progress and stay motivated as your referral network continues to grow. The My Referrals page gives you a complete overview of every successful referral you've made. Instantly see your total referrals, referral earnings, milestone bonuses, and your average earnings per referral. The Referral Journey timeline lets you track each referral in order, showing who joined, how much they earned you, and your overall progress. Click on any referral to view more details and monitor your referral growth with a clear, interactive dashboard.